Hi everyone, so on today's episode we're going to do a taillight upgrade. This upgrade is being done using Meso Customs Total Taillight Kit Stage 1. So it should be a pretty simple install, hopefully it won't take too long. Storm is coming, so let's see what we can do. So this is the kit. It comes with two switchback LEDs. This is going to replace the reverse lights. It's called switchback because it consists of two LED colors. So you can see there's the white one, which will be used for when you're reversing, and then the orange one should be used for the turn signal. It comes with two wiring harnesses, 1, 2, and it comes with a replacement brick light bulbs. These are LEDs. So why am I doing this upgrade? Well, first of all, these LEDs will last longer, they have longer life. They're also brighter than the stock halogen light bulbs which are being used right now. The other problem, which I find annoying, is that when you put on a turn signal, the front ones are amber, the mirror ones are amber, but the rear ones, it uses that top horseshoe as the blinking signal for when you're turning, which I think is annoying. I mean, if you have amber, then why not put it amber here as well? So just to make it consistent, to help with my OCD, I want to do this. Plus, just makes everything look better. I'd like having bright reverse lights, especially when reversing dark. So purchase this kit for $150 and let's see how it goes. Install should be plug and play, pretty easy. So first up, I have to remove these bolts here. So actually just need to remove these two bolts and not this one. So I'll go ahead and put that one. So what you're gonna do now, make sure you're holding this securely. Unplug this and unplug the wiring harness. So 1, 2, and okay, this last one seems to be a little bit more difficult. Oh.
I feel like one giant orgasm.
Okay, so next up we're gonna replace these two lights here. So just twist and pull, and there it is. I'm gonna put on some gloves here to swap these out. When you're changing light bulbs or in your headlights or taillights or fog lights, whatever, you want to minimize contamination, because any oils or contaminants that's on your fingers that gets on the light bulbs, when the light bulbs are turned on, the heat generator will cause that to evaporate. But because the taillight assembly or the headlight assembly is a closed assembly, when those oils or contaminants evaporate, they'll just get deposited on the inside of the housing, which could start to cause some blemishes, some black marks. Like, I'm pretty sure you've seen people's headlights have like these black pits in them. They can be caused by that. So just to reduce the possibility of that happening, I want to use these gloves. Now, how do you know which one to put back where? Well, it says here black, so the black one goes here. Right up and then twist, and it locks. Same thing, gray one goes here, twist and up. For this, same procedure. Twist, pull out. Actually place of the whole thing. There you go. Okay. So this is Meso's new version of this kit. If you look online, you'll find on YouTube, you will find other videos that people have installed his older version, which comes with like a big resistor. This one doesn't have that, which makes it a little bit easier. And this one actually replaces the whole switchback, replaces that whole last signal there. So we're gonna connect this up. This should be pretty straightforward again. So you're just gonna match. So this connector is gonna, nope. This one is gonna go here, This one's gonna go here. This is just like, make sure you get that click, you know it's in properly. And this one is in here. Oops, wrong one. Here. And click for this. Make sure that, see there's a notch here and there's a corresponding notch here. They have to line up. Then this goes up here and screw that in. Which is nice and snug and good. Right. Now let's talk a little bit about the design of this. These are all OEM connectors. We have some pretty good cabling insulation here. Wiring insulation. These are all waterproof connectors. Next step is to connect back everything to the existing wiring harness. So I'm gonna put this down here to make it a little bit easier. So again, just match everything up. So this one goes to this one goes to here. Make sure you get a good click. This one goes here. Get a good click again. And then this one goes here. Good. So to make sure everything is good, tight. I'll connect this in. No water. Want to make sure no water anything gets through. Then so one thing to note, if you see here, there is this silver clip there. No, sorry, a clip. It's like a, I don't know what's the name for it, but anyway, that has to go inside that hole there. So make sure that lines up. And then give it a good push. Oh, I did remember one thing I forgot to do here. Right, we want to try to, okay, so I did forget something. Here's what we want to do. I'm gonna make sure and sort of route these wires in these little clips that I have here. Make everything kind of neat and safe and good. So to route these wires properly, all I did was the same white piece here that you see. That was in this clip. Put that back there, and also put that back here. Can I put these wires just to the back there? Thread back these bolts. Now we can see a side-by-side comparison of the Meso Customs Total Taillight Kit versus OEM. For the turn signals, the Meso Customs switchback LED uses the reverse section of the taillight as the indicator and outputs a bright orange color, while the OEM uses the upper section of the brake light. I really like the Meso Customs version because it matches with the orange LED indicator lights in the headlights and mirror turn signals. It's also just as much brighter and simply looks better. With the light switch off, when you step on the brakes, you see the Meso Customs Kit illuminate the entire brake light, while the OEM one just illuminates the lower half of the taillight. When the light switch is on, you can see the brake light is much brighter with the Meso Customs Kit compared to OEM. Lastly, for the reverse light, the Meso Customs Kit has a bright natural white color compared to the OEM yellowish white color. Even though it is daytime, you can see the Meso Customs Kit is much brighter than the OEM one. The passenger side taillight install is the same as the driver's side. Remember to wear gloves and route the harness properly and you shouldn't run into any issues. Check out the final result. This kit was totally worth the $150 price tag. It is well designed and engineered, the LEDs are brighter and will certainly last longer than the OEM light bulbs. The installation was simple and straightforward and can be done in less than an hour. Hope you enjoyed this installation video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.